Hi, folks. Welcome to the Weekend Investing Daily Bite of 8th of October. Markets quite, I would say, in a sully mood, coming off from yesterday's close. No major upswing anywhere. Almost as if, this rally that we are seeing in precious metals is causing some kind of a uh, overshadow on equity markets, in the sense that there is a lot of narrative now which is saying that the pace at which precious metals are gaining, it is giving some sort of early warning signs that something may go belly up. Every time we've had such remarkable pace of growth in gold or silver, it has resulted in some kind of a uh, disaster happening at the end of it, or a recession in the US especially. So this signs are not so good actually for uh, equity markets, and we really don't know what may trigger some sort of a uh, deeper sell off. Market still not so bad, I would say, just a little bit down from yesterday, but there is no current sort of positivity in the market to really go up. There was some very positive news. I thought, entire UK delegation is here for the FTA, but the sort of lethargy in the market just doesn't go away. Disclaimer as always, please read fully and understand it. Subscribe to the channel. Let's see the charts. So charts, you can see it didn't move too much down from yesterday, and maybe it was also because we've had four excellent days prior to this. Nifty down 0.25%. So we are stuck in the range basically. There's no breaking down as well yet, uh, but we're stuck in a range, and we can easily sort of attempt the previous highs in of July and September. I think that is certainly very much within the realm of things. Nifty Junior, however, looks more meaningfully down. Remember, yes, just yesterday I was telling you that this is looking like a flag, and that's exactly what is happening now. That this rally that we had for 5 6 sessions was a relief rally, it seems, and once we break this low here, then we'll perhaps go retest these. So that's the sort of the most damaging case one could make of this. Of course, we will have to go above this pivot to really nullify that. So Nifty Junior down 0.77%, mid caps down 0.73%, small caps down 0.54%. Small caps last 3 days have not been able to go up, and Nifty Bank also down 0.39%. So no gains anywhere across the board except gold. Gold is up 1.73% again today, 12,252 per gram, or 1,22,525 per 10 grams, as most people relate to that 10-gram price. This is simply, if you see from end of August, we've not completed 1.5 months since then, and we've gone from 98,000 to 1,22,000. So nearly 25% gain has come in 6 weeks. Very, very telling actually that something big is happening in the world order, and some changes, massive changes happening, and this price move is a result of that. Advanced declines completely flat after the first couple of hours. 370 declines to 130 advances, so no positive outcome there. Um, IT stocks still managed. Uh, I think this okay. Uh, yeah, so IT stocks went up 1.8% and 2.5% on TCS and Infosys. Titan, of course, once gold is running, people associate that with uh, better outcomes at Titan. But Titan also came out with their results, and the last quarter has been very good, contrary to what people were expecting. That's why Titan also was moving up today at 4.3%. Um, Besides that, there were not very many gainers in the Nifty today. Reliance itself losing 1.2%. Mahindra, Maruti, Tata Motors, all that GST, pop up has is falling on its own weight. Ultra, Semco, JSW, Sun Pharma, BEL, NTPC all moving down. Bharti Airtel up marginally at 0.75%. Nifty Next 50 was awash with red. Masdok, ABB, GAIL, Adani Power, DLF, LIC. Everything was slipping. Pidilite up, BPCL up, LTIM up, Enrin up a little bit, but mostly things were down. Mover of the day, ITI, telecom PSU stock ITI up 20% in a week as BSNL accelerates 5G push. So the PSEs are in their own zone, and so is the PSE index, which is gaining ground. Sectoral trends, you can see Nifty IT only sector that really gained 1.5%. All other sectors were in the red. Real estate losing the most at 1.83. Media, autos, defense, all 1.5% down. CPSEs, PSEs, energy, manufacturing, all down 1 to 1.5% on all of them. So the last 1 month now is very mixed, but only PSU banks and defense are doing all right. In the last 3 months, you have only Nifty Auto, PSU banks, and Nifty Metals uh, do some gains. Otherwise, it has been a down year actually overall. Real estate, after a couple of days of rally, has again succumbed to downward pressure. Anandraj, Oberoi Reality, Signature, Godrej, and DLF all moving down. So overall, the sense is that market is not able to move up, and near 24,500, 24,600, we get some buying also. So we keep getting stuck in this range. IT has come up very nicely in the last 3 4 sessions. IT index is up 1.5%. Infosys, TCS, Coforge, HCL Tech, and LTI Mindtree moving up. US markets uh, moved down a bit, 1.12% on small caps. Nasdaq 100 more 0.67%. S&P 500 down 0.38%. But overall, on a 12-month basis, they're still doing very well versus India market. S&P 500 is up 16.75%. Nasdaq is up 25.3%. Stocks that are moving, Tesla smashed down 4.4%, Booking Holding down 3%, Nike 3%, Texas Instrument 2.6%, Oracle, which was running up, also down 2.5%. Many more stocks are moving uh, big time. And one stock I was reading has moved like 2000% in a day. So there was a comment on X that our ASM, GSM, and all those categorizations prevent stocks from reaching their fair price because we artificially control the price move. In the US, they've left it open. If any stock wants to go from $1 to $500, they allow that to happen. So I don't know whether that's really good or not, but uh, in the uh, in the garb of investor protection, maybe we are harming the investors more by not letting them participate in the price discovery. Tweets of the day. So Nix had this tweet where um, the chronology of how it has started, the gold move, was displayed. So China starts to buy gold to replace US Treasury. So this happens post Feb 2022 when US freezes Russian assets, and every other country now realizes that our assets can be frozen at any point of time, and US Treasury is being held as reserve in most central bank balance sheets. So let's reduce US Treasury. Then some hedge funds are deciding to short gold, thinking China's purchases will be minimal. China continues to buy gold. US starts to take physical deliveries of gold post Trump comes in, and a short squeeze is happening. Gold moves 100% in 2 years, uh, and people basically are feeling the heat of it. Some sovereign event can happen now. Some hedge funds can go under, and some recession type of situation can happen. That's the sort of natural chronology that is possible that may happen. There was a very nice tweet on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has moved very technically from all-time low in 2015 to all-time high in 2017 in 1064 days. Then from all-time high in 17 to all-time low in 2018 in 364 days. And then very coincidentally or surprisingly, magically, from the 2018 low to 2021 high, it again took exactly 1064 days. and again from that high of 21 it moved to a new low uh, in exactly 364 days. And this time this 364 days uh, was at 6th of October, and this was sort of predicted that if this progression, geometric progression, has to be followed, then 6th October would be the peak, and that's exactly what has happened 2 days back. That Bitcoin has printed a all-time high at 1,24,000 something. Uh, so now it is to be seen whether then the next 364 days will we hit a new low. It will be really very interesting if this gets followed. So I thought I'll just share this with you. It was very very interesting. Um, in the 8 p.m. episode today, we're going to talk about how uh, most people are taking lesser risk than what they should be taking, perhaps. So we'll talk about more about risk in that video. If you like this video, do like and share this video. If you like our content, do subscribe to our channel. Do share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.